We're solving problem 9 from the 2020 F equals MA exam A. A block of mass M is attached to a massless string. The string is passed over a massless pulley and the end of the string is fixed in place. The horizontal part of the string has length L. Now a small mass M is hung from the horizontal part of the string and the system comes to equilibrium. Diagram not necessarily to scale. Neglecting friction everywhere, we want to find the tension at the end of the string. So from this point, the pulley's being the block's pulling the rope down, and since another block is added here and the system is at equilibrium, meaning that like nothing's happening, like the rope's not like the pulley's not making the rope fall over and this block go up and that block go down, it's in equilibrium. So the tension has to be equal on this block. This is the tension going up, therefore tension has got to be equal to the force, the downward force, which is simply mg. So in this case, the tension on this block, or at the end of the string, is T equals mg, or just mg as our answer for this problem.